Hey everyone, it's Kimberly Shipley. Thank you for joining me in my grocery haul. So I'm going to show everybody what I went to Walmart today and purchased. So first, let's look at these two little quick items over here. And one thing, it's a little. First, it is a 24 or 40 pack of bottled water. Purified drinking water, great value brand. And I want to show y'all, let me lower my phone to show y'all this one. Okay, this is for, I got this three drawer. It's for stuff that I want to keep. Let me move my phone back. Okay, it's for stuff I want to be able to keep. I'm pulling off the refrigerator, important papers or things. So I got this little drawer set, and that way you can be set up neatly off the fridge or whatever and stored the right way. Okay. Now I'm going to put these up as I go. First of all, I got 2 pepperoni tombstone pizzas. Let's go and get these in the freezer. And some French fries, crinkle cut. Great value tater tots. Okay. Some sherbet ice cream by Mayfield. I love this stuff. Hard to find too. So I picked that up at Walmart. So I'm setting this stuff up as we go. Okay, I got a 4-pack of already patted out hamburger patties. Of course, me and Caleb's, there's just 2 of us, so it's 8 in there. Let me explain once I get. Got 12 eggs, large sized. Good deal. I'll explain the hamburgers in a minute. Okay, and this right here, cheesecake sampler. Don't that look so good? Yeah, Caleb loves cheesecake and I do too. Definitely will not go to waste, will it, Caleb? We definitely eat that, won't we, baby?
Yes.
Okay. Now, last refrigerated item, cheese. Great value singles.
Oh, can
American
I have
cheese.
one?
Yeah. Hang on the grocery haul, y'all. My son needs cheese.
Yeah, I'm gonna slice of cheese.
Absolutely. Big good.
Now
All
how do
right.
I open this?
You may open it?
Yes.
Okay. Open your cheese. I have to stop through your mama for a minute, y'all. If you want to, give Teddy a pinch. Now he can eat that. Just a pinch. Not a little lot. There you go. He likes cheese too. Just not much. Okay. Now I also got a tomato. And I'm going to put that in the refrigerator. That's to go tonight. We're going to have for supper. And I had to go out and buy one because I didn't have one. I ain't had one for a long time. I'll show you. A George Foreman, just a 2-person grill. It wasn't too much, like $20. But I got it for burgers and to fry the cheeseburgers with. And so I've been wanting one of these for a while. I like how they fry meat better. And of course, also the grease comes off and it has a drip pan, and that helps our health better. And of course, where Caleb had alpha-gal, he couldn't eat cheeseburgers for a while. But now he does not have that no more, and we can start having those back in our life. So tonight, and which I'll probably share this with y'all too, I'm going to cook some cheeseburgers, maybe a mixture of tater tots and French fries. But I also got, to go with cheeseburgers tonight, Hawaiian buns. Now, another thing too, I'll just let y'all know, because we have more grocery haul here. I wanted to share this stuff with y'all. I got to put on it. I have never seen this stuff, noticed it. It's made by Kinder's, but it's caramelized onion butter. So what I'm going to do is take and sprinkle some of this on the cheese or the burger when I flip it. So we're going to see how that does. That sounds like it would be really good. I'm going to sure try it out. But I also got, I was out of them, Ziploc for the freezer bags. So I'm going to take the hamburger, so since just me and Caleb, so that way we can savor on food through the later in the week. So since I bought the 8 hamburgers, which I think they was about $11 roughly, I'm going to take and put one in each one of these, and then put them in the freezer, and then take a couple out as we want to make another supper out of. That way it kind of, what I'm kind of showing everybody is I learned how to cook with a bunch of people. You know, I had, 4 kids to, and then myself. So, I mean, there was a bunch of people in the home. So I've cooked for a bigger bunch. Now I'm learning how to cook for a smaller. Since, of course, my husband's gone now, it's just me and Caleb, and we don't eat big. So that way, though, we can still conserve our money with these. If I buy a pack of hot dogs and I cook a couple for supper, there's still going to be like 6 other hot dogs in there. I'll put them in a Ziploc bag. So just kind of saying, when I buy meat, I'm going to buy a quantity of it, but I also am going to use Ziploc bags to divide it into the ways we eat. So that way, that's actually the hamburgers and buns is going to be enough to do me and Caleb for, 4 meals. So that's 4 meals, kind of worth of food. So I wanted to kind of explain that and know that, yes, even though I bought an 8-pack, I'm going to divide it all up. That way it's, different food variety, different things for the month. I'll probably get some pork chops and do the same thing with or something like that. Okay. Now I got these hot fries. Whoops. These are for Caleb to take to school. We was out of these. No, Teddy, you can't have these. But these is Caleb to take to school. He likes to take them for his lunch. So there's another. So I got enough to do the rest of the week for him. I also got, this is so good. This is my favorite. Reese's peanut butter. I cannot find it in my town, so I can only find it at a Walmart. Kroger could have it too. I don't know. I usually just run into Walmart. They have it there. Very good. I love this peanut butter. I don't even have to use bread. I can just take it with a spoon. Okay. Second is, just spin it, baby. Thin mint Oreo cookies. Caleb, you want to tell them how much good these are?
I like them a lot.
Come over here. Back up. We like these, don't we?
Yes.
And we've done tried them, so I try to pick these up where available to find. But if you've never tried them and you don't mind mint cookies, these are really good. Everybody that I know of has tried these. Love them, don't they?
Yes.
Okay. Now, this is one of mine and Caleb's both. We love. I got a 6-pack of Reese's stick. So, we both love Reese's stick. Yes, we love a little junk food a little bit. So, we're human. Okay. Now for the grocery haul, more. Caleb loves the bubble bath. He loves original Mr. Bubbles, don't you?
Yes.
Okay, got that. That should do a little while for bubble bath. You hadn't tried this one yet.
Okay.
I got Caleb. It's Equality Kids 3-in-1 Watermelon Shampoo. Come here and smell this. It smells like watermelon.
Oh, it smells so good.
Does it smell good?
Kind of.
Kind of. That's watermelon. So it's got a good watermelon smell. So I thought maybe him being a boy, the watermelon smell would be okay. I haven't bought any of this in a while. Actually, Walmart has it hid. It's still up there around the soaps, shampoos, things like that. But it's off by itself. So I don't know if you ever use it. I like to. I like to put it on my arms and legs and stuff. No, I don't put it in places you shouldn't that causes controversy with powder. So anyway, yeah, but I like the smell of it. The smell to me of, can you see it puff? Whoa! And I love the smell of that, just how it's, Caleb does too, don't you? You love shower to shower smell?
Yes.
Okay, and another thing I use the Dove because it doesn't break me out. Secret always had broke me out, but this is the dry spray, all over body. Let's see, trying to see it with the dragon fruit and coconut cream. I'll tell you guys, this smells good. So it's kind of a body spray. You can just whatever, kind of spray it even on your clothes or whatever, your legs, and it makes you smell like dragon fruit. Oh, it's so good. I love it.
It's so bad.
Oh, it's so bad. Caleb's kind of light scented on some smells. Ocean Splash Doll hand soap. We could use another bottle of hand soap. So anyway, guys, to the big thing. Of course, I got the bottled waters I was telling you, and this 3-drawer cabinet, and my little 2 hamburger George Foreman grill. Again, I got the drawers here for things I'm decluttering, but I still want to keep. You know, it could be an artwork Caleb done, things like that, you know, at school, but I still want to keep. You know, we all got those little things in life that we want to treasure and keep and stuff. So anyway, that's going to be for what this is drawers for. So I'll probably find a place here in the corner where I got rid of the arcade machines. Well, I mean, I've got them, but they're now in a different position. Maybe I'll kind of put this little thing right there, and that way I can initialize it. So anyway, I want to thank you for joining me for my little grocery haul here. And hopefully y'all watch my next video I put out. And if you're new, please subscribe. If you like this video, like it. Hopefully nobody gets mad at the food we bought. We like what we eat. Anyway, say comment, say hi. But anyway, I hope everybody has a wonderful day. And God bless each and every one of y'all. And thank you for joining me for the time of the grocery haul. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.